Tired of internet that promises the world but delivers dial-up speeds? Today, we're pitting Verizon Fios against Spectrum in a head-to-head battle to determine the best internet carrier for your needs. We'll break down speeds, pricing, and reliability to help you make the right choice. First, speed. Verizon Fios typically offers significantly faster upload and download speeds thanks to its fiber optic network. Spectrum, while using a cable network, can still provide decent speeds, but often lags behind Fios, especially on uploads. Run your own speed test to see what you're actually getting. Next, pricing and plans. Both providers offer a variety of plans at different price points. Pay close attention to introductory offers, which often expire after a year. Also, check for data caps. Verizon Fios generally offers unlimited data, while Spectrum may have data limits depending on your location. Finally, reliability. Fiber optic networks like Verizon Fios tend to be more reliable than cable networks like Spectrum, experiencing fewer outages. Check online reviews and forums in your area to see what other users are saying about the reliability of each provider. So, who wins? It depends on your priorities. If speed and reliability are paramount, Verizon Fios is generally the better choice. However, Spectrum might be a more affordable option, especially if Fios isn't available in your area.